Today, you will learn how to make text curve in Word. First, click the Insert tab. Then click WordArt and choose any style you like. Don't worry about the design because you can change it later. Type your text into the WordArt box. Now click to select the WordArt, then open the Shape Format tab. Click Text Effects, choose Transform, and under Follow Path, select the curved style you want, such as Arch Up, Arch Down, or Circle. Your text will instantly become curved. If you want to make the curve tighter or wider, simply drag the orange adjustment handle until it looks the way you want. You can also rotate the text if needed. If you ever want to remove the curve, go back to Text Effects, choose Transform, and click No Transform to return the text to normal. That's it. Your curved text is ready. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.